I have literally had the worst goddamn day, and now I'm here helping my grandma with a garage sale, and I just went and got a coffee that I waited 40 minutes for, and I literally dropped it on the floor. I'll put a picture in for you guys at the end. This is worse than splitting my pants today.
What are you doing out here talking to yourself?
Karen alert. Karen alert.
You over here parked next to my boyfriend.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, but why are you out here by yourself? What are you doing? Like,
My grandma's with the garage
but
sale.
you parked next to my boyfriend. You want to explain why? Like, I need these answers. Like, what's going on?
Oh no.
Like, your hair fried and everything at the end. Like, what the hell? Do you want to fry? Do you want to fry? I mean, the fries go good with what you got going on. You want some? Do you want to fry? You want to fry? I think you should take some.
No,
Take
thank
some
you.
home with you.